Is this the right vehicle for me? If your weekly routine combines daily errands with weekend outdoor excursions, the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands 5-passenger in Carbonized Grey is designed to fit that lifestyle. Powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle features functional equipment like bash plates, front recovery hooks, and heated front seats. It pairs off-highway equipment with interior technology like a 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen to handle both everyday driving and trail trips. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. Is this powertrain right for my driving? If your driving includes a combination of city commutes and highway trips, the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission forms the mechanical foundation. Fuel economy ratings are 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the city, 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway, and 10.1 liters per 100 kilometers combined. Auto start-stop and active grille shutters assist with managing fuel efficiency, while gear selection is controlled via a rotary gear shift dial.
Will this handle how I actually use it? If your weekends involve trips toward Harrison Lake or driving Forest Service roads near Sumas Mountain, this model provides practical utility features. The terrain management system and trail control assist over unpaved surfaces, while bash plates and front recovery hooks offer protection and recovery options. Rear cargo utility comes from a liftgate with flip-up glass, a dedicated cargo mat, and a MOLLE strap system for securing loose items. Additionally, the 400-watt Pro Power Onboard system provides direct electrical power for devices at your destination.
Is this trim right for my needs? Choosing the Badlands trim equips the cabin with dark space gray merino cloth seating, a power driver seat, and a power passenger seat. Daily comfort in cold weather is supported by heated front seats, a heated steering wheel, and dual power heated mirrors. Climate control is managed by dual-zone electronic automatic air conditioning, while an acoustic laminate windshield helps reduce outside road noise. Inner cabin details include an auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual illuminated visors, and a 60/40 fold-flat rear seat for flexible cargo layout. Which technology will I actually use? If your daily drive involves commuting along Highway 1 between Abbotsford and Langley, integrated driver assist features focus on driving comfort. Adaptive cruise control and the lane-keeping system support highway travel, while Bliss with cross-traffic alert monitors adjacent lanes and rear cross-traffic. Parking maneuvers are assisted by the reverse camera system, along with rear parking sensors. Additional technology features include a 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, auto high-beam headlamps, intelligent access with push-button start, and a 1-year connected package subscription via the Ford app. What ownership trade-offs should I know? Understanding ownership trade-offs involves considering fuel consumption figures and standard cabin trim details. Rated at 10.1 liters per 100 kilometers combined and 11.2 liters per 100 kilometers in the city, fuel use is higher during short local trips during wet Fraser Valley winters than on steady highway drives. This specific build includes front and rear floor liners without carpeted floor mats, prioritizing easy cleaning after dirty outings over traditional carpeted flooring. Additionally, the exterior features black front and rear bumpers designed for functional durability rather than body color paint matching. Who should buy this and who should not? You should buy this vehicle if you live in the Fraser Valley, frequently head off paved roads for outdoor recreation, and want dedicated functional equipment like trail control, bash plates, and Pro Power Onboard paired with heated seating. You should not buy this vehicle if your routine consists solely of smooth city driving, where lower fuel consumption is your top priority, and features like recovery hooks, terrain modes, and heavy-duty floor liners are unnecessary. What's the final recommendation? If you are looking for a vehicle that balances everyday driver assistance with equipment for off-highway trips, the 2026 Ford Bronco Sport Badlands is a practical choice. Features like the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen, terrain management system, and heated front seats support both daily driving and outdoor outings. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.